Yeah, hello friends, so welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at the best investment strategy to create the portfolio, and this will suits well for the Nifty indexes. Okay, so and also please subscribe to our channel, and also please do follow me on Twitter, and also we'll be having the Telegram channels link in the videos description. So please do follow that. And so this is for an educational purpose, so this is a disclaimer. So this is for an educational purpose and not a recommendation to either buy or sell any of the stocks or indexes which you have posted here. Okay, so the investment portfolio, so this strategy works best with Nifty index, but one can take advantage of this strategy to build their portfolio. So we will do the back test from 2003 to 2020 using this strategy. And we have done the backtest using the Nifty's monthly chart. So as this is the backtest, we are assuming that so whatever the Nifty's performed in the past 17 years from the 2003 to 2020, so we are assuming that the same will occur, same will happen in the future years as well. Okay, so we'll be choosing the Nifty's monthly chart of 2003. And if you have a look at the Nifty monthly chart from 2003, so what we have to do for this strategy is, so we need to take the Nifty's January month high for the particular year you are going to do this strategy. Okay, so you can see that so Nifty's Jan month high is 1105.60. So now wait for the Nifty to close above the Jan month's high on monthly chart. So till this 2003 end of December, we'll be going to wait for the Nifty to close above the Jan month high. So if you look at that in 2003, on the month of June 2003, Nifty's Jan month high got broken and it closed at the level of 1134. So here you can see that the Jan month's high is 1105 and it closed at the level of 1134. So after breaking this Jan month high, Nifty never came down to the Jan month closing price till December 2003. So whenever you are seeing that the January month's high got broken, so you can enter into the trade on the Nifty, or else like you can even enter into the Nifty 50 stocks which is having the high weightage on the Nifty. Okay, so most of the time the Nifty will fall, the stock which you are choosing from the Nifty 50 will follow the Nifty's movement if there is a very good fundamentals. Okay, so this is the disclaimer there. So after breaking this January's month high, so it gave us the signal for the go long for the whole year at the time of June, and it closed at the level of 1879 on December 2003, so which is in 65% movement in 6 months of time. Okay, so we are entering after the July month's close, and will be in the trade till the December. And you can see that from the level of 1134 it closed at 1879 on December 2003. Okay, so this is this is the strategy which we have done for the 2003. So now let's look at the chart of monthly chart of the 2003. So this is an monthly chart, and this entire period whichever displayed inside this rectangle is a 2003 monthly charts. Okay, so here you can see the January 2000 month low got broken at the month of June. It had this candle. So after that the price never came down to the January's high, and it went all high to the level of around 740 points. Okay, in the 6 months of time. Okay, so if you have a look at the chart of 2004, in 2004 January it made the high of 2014.65, and till the December of 2004 the high of this January was never get broken, and it didn't move higher level. Okay, so then there is no buy signal in 2004, so one should avoid going long on this Nifty or the portfolios as it's in a downtrend. Okay, so this is the chart. Okay, so here you can see that so January month high never get broken, and it broken only at the month of December, so we are not going to enter in this trade. Okay, so this is the calculation. So here you can see So you can just pause the video and have a look at this. So here you can see it gives the buy signal, and in the 2004 there is no buy signal, and in the month of 2005 there is buy, 2006 there is a buy signal, and 2007 there is a buy signal, and 2008 there is no buy signal, as the January month high didn't get broken on any of the month. And if you look at the 2009 there is a buy signal, and 2010 there is a buy signal, and if you look at the 2011 there is no buy signal, and 2012 it broken its after breaking the high of January on the Feb, and after some months it came down near the January's high. But if you have a look at the closing price on the December, it moved higher and it closed on the higher level. Okay, so after that, here you can see there is an profitable trade on 2013 and 14. There is no signal on 15, and if you look at the 16 and 17, there is no SL got triggered and it gave the buy signal and it moved towards higher level. Okay, and so till 2017, so to 2018, if you have a look, this is the only year in out of the 17 years it gave the buy signal, and we need to book the loss as the price didn't move higher level. Okay, so after that, even in 2019, if you look at the January high is 10,987, and it moved high towards 11,000 plus. Okay, and after that, now we are in the Jan 2020. So here you can see Jan 2020's high is 12,430.50, and you can see that the January's high was never get crossed on any of the month till now. It's in a June month. Okay, so there is no buy signal generated till now in 2020. So if, let's say in example, if in the month of June or in the month of June end or August, July, August, if the high of this level of 12,430 gets broke, then you can go on the long, and we can wait till the December 2020 to book at the higher level price. So SL for this level is whenever any of the month closed below the January's high after getting broken on the high side, then you can close your trade with booking the loss. Okay, so if you have a look at the 17 years back test, you can see only 1 month got closed below the January's high one, and we'll be booking only one trade as our loss. Okay, so this is one of the strategy, and this is an investment strategy. If you're doing a monthly trade, then this won't work. So if you're on a long-term trade, so let's say if you want to trade till the end of the year, so let's say for trading for the period of 6 months or more than 6 months, then you can do this strategy. You can also trade using this strategy in the stock as well, but prefer that the stock is moving along with the Nifty. Okay, so if any of the stock is moving along with the Nifty, then you can enter into that trade as well, stock as well. So thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel so that you'll be getting more number of strategies same as like this. So thanks for watching.